Never buy a GPU right now. GPU prices could crash hard, and most people won't see it coming. AMD's next-gen RX 10000 series just leaked, and this isn't a normal upgrade. This is a full reset. Right now, in the US market, GPUs are still expensive. RTX 4080 cards sit around $1,100 to $1,300. RTX 4070 Ti around $750 to $850. And even mid-range cards like the RTX 4060 Ti hover near $400 to $500. That pricing only works because nothing better has forced it down. Yet, here's where things get serious. RX 10000 is rumored to use a redesigned chiplet architecture. Not just more cores, but a smarter layout. Different parts of the GPU handle tasks more efficiently. Less wasted power, better scaling, lower production costs. And when costs go down, prices follow. This is the real threat. Not just more FPS, but better performance per dollar. AMD isn't just chasing raw power. They're targeting value. So instead of paying $1,200 for high-end performance, you could be looking at similar or better results in the $600 to $800 range. We've seen this before. When AMD launched RDNA 2, cards like the RX 6800 and RX 6700 XT disrupted pricing and forced competition to react. And historically, when a new architecture delivers better efficiency, older GPUs don't slowly lose value. They drop fast, and efficiency matters more than most people think. Lower power draw means less heat, quieter systems, lower electricity costs over time. It also means your GPU lasts longer before it starts to feel outdated. So you're not just saving money up front, you're extending the life of your entire build. Now, here's the trap. GPU prices stay high until something better forces them down. And RX 10000 looks like that breaking point. So if you spend $1,000 or more today, you're taking the biggest risk. Because if a $700 card launches and matches or beats it, your expensive upgrade loses value instantly. But not everyone should wait. If your current GPU is failing, or you can't run your games or work software, then yes, you should still buy. Just don't overspend. Right now, the safe zone in the US market is mid-range. Cards like the RTX 4060, RTX 4070 Ti, RTX 4080, and RX 7700 XT sit between $300 and $600. This range tends to hold value better and sees smaller price drops. You're minimizing risk. What you should avoid right now is high-end GPUs, especially anything above $900, like the RTX 4080. That's where the biggest price correction will hit if RX 10000 delivers. So here's the decision. If you need a GPU today, stay mid-range. Protect your money. If your current GPU still works, even if it's not perfect, hold your cash. Because when RX 10000 launches, two things will happen at once. New GPUs will bring a massive jump in value, and current GPUs will drop hard in price. That's when smart buyers move. Late 2026 or early 2027 could be one of the best upgrade windows we've seen in years. Because this isn't just another GPU cycle, it's a reset. And if you think AMD is about to shake things up, wait until you see what NVIDIA might be cooking next. Subscribe now so you don't miss the smartest time to upgrade.